Talking about mental health at work is one of the most sensitive conversations in professional English, and one of the most important skills a non-native speaker can develop.
Today you will learn how to talk about burnout, set limits, and ask for support, all in professional, natural B2 English. Welcome to English in Context at B2. Mental health conversations at work require specific vocabulary. The right words show professionalism and self-awareness, not weakness.
We have two conversations today, an employee talking to a manager about feeling overwhelmed, and an HR check-in about workplace stress.
You will also learn phrases for setting professional limits, one of the most useful B2 workplace skills.
Employee: Carlos, do you have a moment? I wanted to flag something before it becomes a bigger issue.
Manager: Lisa, of course. Close the door. What is on your mind?
Carlos: I have been struggling a bit lately. The workload since the restructure has been significant, and I am finding it hard to switch off in the evenings.
Lisa, I appreciate you telling me. That took courage. Are you managing okay right now, or do you need us to look at your workload more urgently?
Carlos: I think some support would help. I would also like to discuss the on-call requirement. I think I need to protect my weekends for a while.
The phrase, "I wanted to flag something before it becomes a bigger issue," is excellent. It is proactive, professional, and signals emotional intelligence.
Finding it hard to switch off. This is more professional than "I am stressed." It describes the symptom precisely without sounding like a complaint.
Protect my weekends. Using protect shows you value recovery strategically, not that you are refusing to work.
Now an HR check-in. HR: Priya. Hi Carlos, this is our monthly well-being check-in. How are you feeling about work in general? Carlos: Honestly, it has been a challenging few months. I have been mindful of keeping a good work-life balance, but the project deadlines have made that difficult.
Priya, that is valid feedback. Are you aware of the Employee Assistance Program? It includes free confidential counseling sessions.
Carlos: I was not, actually. That could be really helpful. I would like to maintain my performance, but I also need to be honest that I am not running at full capacity right now.
Priya, that kind of honesty is exactly what helps us support you properly. Let me send you the EAP details, and we can review your goals next month. I have been mindful of this phrase shows self-awareness and intentionality. It is much more professional than I tried to.
Not running at full capacity. A professional, non-dramatic way to say you are not performing at your best. It signals honesty without sounding like a crisis.
That kind of honesty is exactly what helps us support you properly. Learn this sentence. It tells you that good managers want you to be direct, not to perform wellness.
I wanted to flag something before it becomes a bigger issue.
I am finding it hard to switch off in the evenings.
I need to protect my weekends for a while.
I am not running at full capacity right now.
What does flag something mean in a professional context?
To proactively bring something to someone's attention, often before it becomes a serious problem.
What is an employee assistance program?
A workplace benefit that offers free, confidential support services including counseling and mental health resources. Today, you learn professional vocabulary for discussing mental health at work, flagging concerns, setting limits, and using HR resources.
The key skill: describe the symptom specifically rather than just labeling the emotion. I cannot switch off is more useful than I am stressed.
Next episode, navigating airport security and travel delays in English.